Hi there. Thank you so much for having purchased or having interest in this script monogram Canva frame template design. I'm going to go over how the template is laid out as well as how to use it in a couple of Canva tips and tricks. So looking at the template overall, I have the letters broken up onto 3 pages, the center letter for each, the side letter for each, because in this monogram style, the side letter is the same for both the left and the right. And then to help with sizing purposes and copying and pasting later on, I put the entire set on one sheet. So my recommendation for using this template is to copy and paste what you want onto a brand new workspace. I create all of my workspaces at 12 inch by 12 inch. That's just my preference, and it helps carry the monograms over when copying and pasting easier. So we're going to select the entire monogram. You want to make sure you get both the outline and the frame itself and copy, and we're going to paste it onto a new workspace. And so now that we have it, we are able to drag our paper over, and to easily copy into the other 2 frames, we're going to select that frame and go up here to copy style, and we're able to essentially paste it in. And you are able to double click and resize the paper as needed. With the template, in addition to the frame, you also have an outline, which you can see when you go in the position tab. The outline is automatically placed on the bottom. That way, when you are filling the Canva template frames, you can easily drag and drop, and it's not locked out with having that outline on top. If you would like to give the monogram a more bolder look, you can drag it on top, and you are able to change the colors on these. So just as another tutorial, we're going to go and grab a different letter from each monogram set and copy and paste them in. We're going to grab the left B, place that in. We'll go and grab, for example, the middle D, copy and paste that in. And we'll go and grab the right E and paste that in. And we can change how these appear based on the layers panel. So if my personal preference is I like the largest letter, the last name, typically to be in the back and the 2 side letters on top. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the B and drag it to the top. So it appears this way. We can go ahead with our paper and drag and drop in. And then I'm going to go back into the Layers tab, and you can select all of the outlines at one time if you want to change the color. Of course, you can select everything and then size down, size up as you need based on if you're printing infant, toddler, youth, adult, and you can export as needed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please send me an email at sales@handmadepiecesco.com. Thank you.